Fine finished product. By the Bing Bing. Yay!
Hey guys, today we're going to make one of my family favorites, shepherd's pie.
And some funny scenes at the end of this video. Here are the ingredients for making shepherd's pie.
Let's get started by rinsing our potatoes. Once you're done rinsing your potatoes, go ahead and peel them, and when done, place them in a bowl of water. Chop your potatoes into small chunks, making sure to place them back into water so they don't brown. Begin boiling about 1 gallon of water. Once your water is boiling, go ahead and place your potato wedges inside. Cover your potatoes for a faster boil. Go ahead and stir your potatoes about every 1 to 2 minutes. In about 15 to 20 minutes, pull a potato out and check to see if it's cooked. Go ahead and drain the water from your potatoes and let them rest. Begin browning 1 pound of ground beef. When your beef is done cooking, drain the excess oil and put it on low heat. Go ahead and cook your corn. Add as much salt and pepper to the corn as you like. Stir the corn occasionally to keep it from sticking. Go ahead and let it lightly boil, then turn the heat to low to let it rest. Go ahead and add butter to your mixing bowl. Add about 1/2 to 3/4 a can of milk. Add some fresh ground black pepper. Additionally, add some fresh ground salt. Lightly coat your glassware with canola oil so it doesn't stick. Add 1/2 or 1/4 of a sweet chopped onion. Add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Now add your cooked ground beef. And add your cooked corn. Go ahead and stir to combine. Begin mixing your potatoes. Gradually add the remainder of your milk. Every now and then, push the mashed potatoes towards the center. Add additional pepper and salt per taste. Go ahead and mix again to combine. At this point, you can go ahead and turn up your blender to medium or high. And of course, the most important part, test it to make sure it tastes good. When your mashed potatoes are done, go ahead and add them to your mixture. Evenly spread your mashed potatoes on top of the beef. Lightly sprinkle your choice of cheese on top of the mashed potatoes. Place your shepherd's pie in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, my family's version of shepherd's pie.
Yay! Shepherd's pie.
I'm making a mess for you to clean up crew.
Am I the cleanup crew this time?
Yeah. Can't wait. Good thing you're clean because you're on the counter. Go ahead and turn up the speed on your blender until food starts flying out the side.